Hello everyone, it's Italian time. Today I have a flash video for you. We're gonna learn some words, shapes in Italian, something so easy and yet for some reason a lot of you guys don't know the shapes in Italian. Maybe because we never actually take the time to sit down and learn shapes, but they're useful. Let's start. How do you say shapes? Depends. It can be figure geometriche, or if you're just saying like shape, you can say forma. Iniziamo. Come si dice? Square, quadrato. Come si dice? Circle, cerchio. I know you're confused because you're thinking like, what about tondo? Tondo is round. Cerchio, circle. Tondo, round. Come si dice rectangle? Rettangolo. Per esempio, le chiese italiane hanno una forma rettangolare. Rettangolare, rectangular. Triangular, triangolare. Come si dice? Come diamond shape. Si dice rombo. Il campo da baseball ha la forma di un rombo. Brian taught me. Rombo is also a kind of fish, by the way, very good. Poi, come si dice? Pentagon. Like with 5 sides. Come in inglese, pentagono. With 8 sides, ottagono. With 6 sides, esagono. Not too hard. Was it useful? Just a few new words for you. Simple but useful. And over and out. Passo e chiudo.